get familiar. So if you don't know by now, then you should probably get familiar.
Welcome viewers, welcome back to another video. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to use Google camera on HavoCOS. This Gcam is better than Gcam 7.2, so that's why I am doing that review for you guys. It's a better Gcam. It's really better than 7.2. 7.2 has bugs, but it doesn't have. Let me show you some samples I have taken. You can see the photos, the clarity. It really can capture better photos. You can see the photos. It's crystal clear. So I recommend you guys to use that Google camera. It's really better at night mode and daylight also. Let me show you my setting. Let me show you my setting on this camera. You can use slow motion also easily, and you can record 4K video and 30 fps and 60 fps also. I didn't make so many changes. I just changed the saturation level. You can see that highlight saturation 1.1 and shadow saturation 1.7. Just said that if you set that values, then you can capture better photos. And base setting, select Pixel 3 XL. And front camera Nexus 6P, set this and then use that camera. You will get so much better photos. So that's the video for today, guys. Thank you so much, and do subscribe and hit the bell icon. If you like my videos, then hit the like button also. It motivates a lot, guys. So thank you so much for watching.